Hello. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Abigail. Today, I don't know, in the last video, we mentioned we were going to shoot our Christmas family shoot and then unbox the gifts we got for the children, most especially. So, we're doing that right now. Fab Daddy is dressed. I'm sleeping. Hello?
Do I look like someone that's sleeping?
So we have our Christmas PJs on. The children are downstairs. God, babe, they're going to mess up that place. So.
I told you I have to stay with them. You said I should come.
But I want you here with me as well. Okay, so I'm nearly done. Just finishing up with my hair. And I just remembered that this is the same hair I showed some weeks or months ago. I given hair. And then I had cornrows on. So today I'm just going to show another style. It's the 3-in-1 Kinky wig. Yeah, I think I gave all the details in the last video. So this is like, since I got this wig, guys, that's been my go-to hair because it's very easy. You don't need glue, you don't need hot iron, you don't need all those things. Just put it on and on the go. Your children are calling you.
Children! Yes?
So I just want to try out another style today. I want to blend this with my hair and see what we get. This hair is just amazing. I mean, the texture is very similar to my hair, and you can hardly tell the difference between my hair and the wig. Okay, big hair, don't care. All right, guys, so the link will be in the description. The link to the wig will be in the description, and you get 30% off when you use the code on the screen. Okay, I'm going to confuse them at work again. And I'll be like, oh, your hair is big, it's full. They don't know. No one's gonna know. Anyway, guys, let's go and shoot our video and get it over with. Okay? Let's go. Where are my children? Hello, girls. Mommy. See, we're dressed alike.
Mommy. Mommy.
Look at this man. Guys, look at your Fab Daddy. Hold on, Yomife. Look at Fab Daddy.
Is Daddy sleeping?
Daddy's sleeping. Daddy!
Daddy!
Wake up!
Daddy, up your eyes.
Jeez, man. What have you guys done?
Yeah. Open it. Stop.
Baby, yeah, let's shoot. I said let's shoot. Are we shooting or we're taking pictures?
Daddy, your sun.
Oh, the sun is going. Oh,
Sun is going.
it's going. Hello, we're ready to shoot. By the way, guys, our PJs are from Shein. We were just lucky enough to grab it. Guys, I was on this for more than 20 hours trying to look for the same set for the 4 of us, but I was just saying, if I see for one person, I won't see the size for the other person. It was just like that. Everything was selling out fast. Before blink of an eye, sold out. Only one left. So I was just lucky to get this one. And then I ordered big sizes because we want, African parents, we want them to grow into it. But then the clothes came, and especially the our baby, it was like the exact size. So I'm just happy I ordered the big one instead of our usual size. Anyways, we are ready to go. What are we doing now? Hey, Obaluru. Yeah, before.
Daddy.
Right.
Daddy. Daddy.
It's amazing. Fab Daddy was a photographer and he did well. He did great. Thank you. So now it's time to unbox our presents.
That's it.
Actually, we're not unboxing everything now. And we have actually unboxed one because this bike, I don't know, can you see the bike?
Yes.
Okay. We
You
got
can put
this
it in.
bike for the children. Yomi, do you like your bike? Actually, we got it for Nifemi, but Yomife is more interested in it. You know how children can be. So we got it and we had to assemble everything and charge it because we know once we unbox it like now, they want to start riding. But then we assembled it and it wouldn't fit into the box again. So we just left it like that and they saw it. They will be the one to use it anyway. So it's all good. They've been playing around with it all
Yeah.
morning and that's good. But there's one more gift, like two more. So Yummy, open your gift. Do you know how to tear it? Do you know how to tear the
Let me
rabbit?
open it for you.
Should I do open it?
That's the yakut.
Yeah. Are you excited?
Yeah, excited.
Good. What do we have here? Sit. Sorry. Yeah. What do we have here? Nini, come and see your present. What's the name? Nife.
Biggie, spicy your
See. Nini.
Baby, baby.
What's it?
Mommy.
This one is more interested in what is
Mommy.
watching.
Oh, throw the red.
Ta-da!
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. Thank Daddy as well. Won't you thank Daddy?
Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome.
Do you know what it is? What's that?
It's a cuss.
What's this?
It's a phone.
It's a tablet. Yeah, the phone. Oh, yeah, this is yummy tablet. Do you like it?
Yeah, I want it.
You can watch. Ah.
You can switch it on. The power
Where do we
button is
put it
somewhere
on?
here.
Yeah. Nini, look at.
This one will even send anything.
No send us. Oh. She did not send us. We bought bike for her. She did not say thank
Right,
you.
so guys, you can see the bike properly.
Do you want to open this as well? Let's open this. What do we have here?
Cake.
Fat Daddy, where's my present?
Don't worry, you get it now.
When?
They've not even given birth to
Look
Jesus.
at your own. No, come on, open it.
You get it.
What's this? Biscuit.
Cookie.
Cookies. Eshe.
It's biscuit.
Yeah.
Oh, it's tentacles. Oh, no.
Look at this.
Look at this. Daddy, look. It's good cocoa.
Yeah.
Oh, my God.
Oh.
Dodo.
Box of goodies. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Do you want? We try one cookie.
I know my one.
Which one do you want?
This one.
You want that one? Take it. Nini, which one do you want? Nini.
Biggie. Biggie.
Say thank you.
You're welcome.
What to let? I'm going to try this cookie. Okay.
Yummy.
Delicious. Just shut up your thing.
In the spirit of Christmas, we'll be giving out a free Christmas gift to one of our subscribers, and it's courtesy
Jeulia. So guys, this is the metallic men's ring. It's the black one, like the one Fab Daddy has on right now. So if you want this for your partner, your husband, your fiance, just state in the comment section. But before that, you need to follow the Fab Family on TikTok. We are at the Fab Family 4 on TikTok, and follow Jeulia on Instagram as well to win this. So you leave a comment in the comment section under this video why you want this ring. Okay, so the winner will be picked at random.
At random, yes.
Yeah, you have to be in the UK.
Yes.
Yes,
Definitely
please. You
have
have
to
to
be.
be in the UK.
Also, please include the ring size of your partner when you're commenting.
Yes, include the ring size. Thank you. Thank you, Jeulia, for giving us the opportunity to give our subscribers Christmas present.
So with that, we have come to the end of today's video. We really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. From the Fab family to all of our subscribers, we want to wish you a very Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year.
New Year.
So,
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. You want me to say Merry
Say Merry
Christmas?
Christmas. Nini.
Merry Christmas.
Merry
That's
Christmas.
it. Merry Christmas. Yeah.
Merry Christmas.
All right. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Wait a minute. It go be. Correct. That's it. That's it.
I just
It go be.